I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale as a beginner. Your main goal is to destroy your opponent's king's tower, but you must first take down at least one of their 2 princess towers. You'll use Elixir to deploy various cards like troops, spells, and buildings to achieve this. Each victory earns you valuable trophies, gold, and chests, which are essential for unlocking and upgrading new cards to strengthen your deck. Building a strong deck is crucial for success. A good deck should have a mix of cards for attacking, defending, and supporting your pushes. Try to keep your average elixir cost between 3 and 5 elixir to ensure you can play cards consistently. Always include a win condition card, like a Hog Rider or Giant, that specifically targets towers. Don't be afraid to experiment with different cards to discover powerful synergies. Elixir is your most vital resource, regenerating at 1 elixir every 2.8 seconds during the first 2 minutes of a match. Efficiently managing your elixir is key to victory. Avoid letting your elixir bar sit at 10 for too long, as this wastes potential elixir. Pay close attention to your opponent's elixir to predict their plays. If you're low on elixir, focus on defense, then launch a strong counter push when you have an advantage. When a battle begins, take your time and observe your opponent's starting moves and deck. Prioritize strong defense to create elixir advantages, which you can then use for powerful counterattacks. Spells are incredibly versatile. Use them to eliminate groups of enemy troops or to deal direct damage to towers. Remember, always aim to destroy one of the 2 princess towers before directly targeting the king's tower, as attacking the king's tower prematurely will activate its powerful cannon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.